Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert image in Google Slides. So if you want to insert image in Google Drive, here's how I can get it done. The first thing you have to do is you have to come to this tools bar here, then you tap on insert, then you tap on image. So tap on image, then you have to move to the next section. So from here you have two options. Also upload from your PC, you can upload, you can search the web, and also you can also upload through your Google Drive, your photo, your camera, and by URL. So I'm just going to upload from computer. In right here I have one image on my PC, so I'm just going to use this particular image as an example. I'm going to insert this. You can see this image has been inserted, and that is how to insert image slide. If you find it helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.